Selamat pagi. Ada kabar baru? What's new? I don't speak Indonesian. I'm pleased to be here this morning and to join Metrodata. Thank you, Mr. Santo, for the invitation. My title, Global Vice President. Why global? I was born in Sri Lanka. My family history is Dutch. My home is in Australia, and I lived in the USA for 3 years. I'm global. I thank the Internet of Everything for helping me learn some Indonesian this morning, but it's not very good yet. I want to ask you, how many have asked these questions? Maybe this morning, after hearing these wonderful speakers, have you asked the question in your company and for yourself? How can you be responsive to the market? Indonesia is growing, your industries are growing. How can you be more competitive? What can I do to improve what I am doing? Do I need to be a mobile enterprise? Will I get left behind if you don't act now? And how can DSI help me? Well, I'd like to tell you the answer to all of these is yes. You have to be responsive. You have to be competitive. Otherwise, you will get left behind, as we've already heard. So in the next 18 minutes, I want to help you find some answers. We'll look at three things: the market, and you've already heard the speaker before me say, the future starts tomorrow. I'm saying it starts now. Tomorrow is now. I'll look at the solution and the benefits. Why should you do it? Mobile is one of the top 5 priorities of every IT organisation around the world. I've travelled to almost 50 different countries, and everywhere, mobile or mobility is in the top 5. Your customers, your consumers, are demanding you to be mobile. They want to access it on their phones. Every one of you has a phone that you're probably using even now. Your competition here and around the world is differentiating themselves. Marketing is using it to get information into your hands. With the Internet of Everything, with social, with the cloud, these forces are converging, and mobility is the way to move it forward. How do you socialize these days? On your smartphone. Where do you get your information? How did I learn Indonesian? From information in the cloud, on my mobile device. So marketing is pushing it forward. You can push your message out to everyone, into their hands. Field organisations, service organisations need it in remote locations. I have a customer that I spoke to. They provide all the coffee machines in the McDonald's stores, many of them. And their people need to go and make sure those machines are working. So they can look at an app, they can see where the machines are, they can go there, and they can fix it using an iPad. Mobility is an international requirement. You have to have it to be a serious player. Gartner, how many have heard of Gartner? Yeah, a few. Their CIO survey over the last 5 years, and especially the last 3 years, has shown mobility in the top 3. Analytics, cloud, infrastructure. Out of these, the top 3 in the last 3 years, mobility's come 3 and 2, and I'm predicting next year will be 1. So you have saw the slide this morning from Mr. Santo with the 5 pillars of Metrodata. 3 of them are in the top 3 of global CIOs. One very important question: why should you have these technologies? Or why should you have mobility? So the same group of CIOs answered this question with 7 different answers, all just as important. Enhanced productivity, improved customer service, improved customer engagement, increased revenue, reduced cost, speed and improved decision making, and transform the business. All of these were rated very high by the CIOs. And CIOs today are using these decision points to make decisions on technology. No one is just buying technology. They need to be a business outcome. These are your business outcomes. Why do you have to do it now? We heard this morning, that the radio took 38 years to reach 50 million users. TV took a few more. iPod took 4 years. Twitter took 9 months. This morning, I put a photo on my Facebook page. In 10 minutes, 300 people had seen it. I don't have many friends, but 300 people in 10 minutes saw my photo. How quickly can your business get a message out to the world? It's getting faster. You have to do it now. You can't wait. So how can you do it? We've heard many solutions already. You've heard from Microsoft, from Cisco, from BMC, from everyone. Everyone's got something. What we provide is a platform to enable all of those solutions to work for you in the way that makes sense. We will mobilize your enterprise. Now, what does that mean? It is not just putting an app. Mobility is not just an app. If you think it's just an app, what happens to the data? What happens to the next step after it? It is about a way of doing business. The way you do business must be transformed onto mobile devices, into a mobile enterprise. If you get this right, you will create an advantage for your business that will go on through the years and will future-proof. So DSI's Mobile Enterprise Management helps you transform your business by taking your business strategy and enabling technology to help it. That is our definition of mobility, and hopefully it will be for you. We also do it by integrating your systems. We are what they call ERP agnostic. We don't mind what system you're running in the back end. We have validated and certified integrations to Oracle, all the Oracle products, PeopleSoft, JD Edwards, EBS, SAP, Microsoft, Infor. We integrate to all of them. Intentia, MoveX, Lawson, all of those. We also, on the front end, integrate to all the devices. Android, Windows, BlackBerry, iOS. So we do all that integration. We've already done it. You don't need to do it. All of the integrations are optimized for mobility. You won't always have good connectivity. I know that after coming here. You don't always have good connectivity. So you need your integration to be optimized to take advantage of the smallest bandwidth when you get it. Some people think that with mobility, and I've seen some of my friends who I used to work with, where they take the same screen that's on the desktop, squeeze it down into 4 inches and put it on a tablet. The same screen on the desktop on the tablet. That's not mobility. It's too much data, too much information. You'll never transmit that through small bandwidths. You need to optimize. What data do I need when I do the business, where I do the business? What do I need? So DSI has done that for you. We also do it across a large range of industries. We have over 1,100 customers in 50 different countries, in different industries. We have been mobilizing business for over 30 years. For over 30 years, we have been giving companies platforms for mobility. We have many customers, big customers that you might see and hear. So you can be confident that we will bring the expertise to your company, and we can do it wherever in the world you are. We also, the core of what we do is to optimize your business with our platform. There are 3 key components to the platform. The enterprise platform itself has an application studio or development environment that can be used by business analysts to develop applications. We have printing capabilities in our platform. We also have something called multi-view. It's our own technology that you build the app once, and then when you publish, it can go to any device. Windows, BlackBerry, iPhone, Android. Any device that you have. So BYOD, doesn't matter. You build it once in a business tool. You don't need to know Java. You don't need to know C#. You don't need to know HTML5. You don't need to know that. But if you do, it's okay. You can still use this. We also have many applications already built ready for you. Hundreds of applications ready to go for you. But most of our customers will use them to start and then build their own. And our technology. We run on all of the smartphones, tablets, also the rugged devices, the devices you can drop into the water or throw on the ground and they bounce up. We run on all of those. We also have machine-to-machine integration. So you could have an app with all your machines. You bring up the phone, there's a map, all the machines, and each machine can be green, red if it's not working, and then you can go to that machine and fix it. So we can sense the machine signals and put them into your application. Machine-to-machine integration, Gartner says, is a $1 trillion market in the next 3 years. We also have all of our applications will work connected or disconnected. If you lose connectivity, you will still keep working. You can still enter the sales order. You can still do your field service order, even if you have no connectivity. And then when it connects, it will update your back end. So our technology takes care of that. It does not make connectivity an issue. We also have complete data collection capabilities, and that's important to make sure you get the right data in and out of your system. And finally, we do all of this without you needing to do any coding. No limitations, and it's real. We can show it to you today. In fact, this afternoon in the Java room, we have 3 sessions where we will show you how this works. We will go into more detail. And Michael Brooks, one of my colleagues, been with our company for 12 years, will be taking you through that. We also have a mobile enterprise workshop for customers together with our fine partner Metro Data. In the third week of October in the MII office, for 10 selected customers, a free workshop. And at the end of the workshop, everyone, guaranteed, will build their own app in one day. We have already done this around the world, and we'll do it here, third week in October. If you want to be part of that, come to our booth, register, and we'll pick the 10 customers. Finally, we do all of this with unparalleled customer service. Our aim is for you to be self-sufficient, not dependent on us. You need to take control of your future, and you need to run your business and change according to the way your business changes. That's what we enable and empower you to do. Finally, the benefits. I think I've got 3 minutes to do this. We integrate with your systems, whatever the back-end system is, with your industry, with our platform. We are vertically focused. We have package applications, reusable components. Over 30 years, we've built up a large library. There's no code, and we deliver it on all the devices that your organization uses. This is your platform for success. Because with this platform, you can succeed in lowering your spending, managing your IT budgets, improving your marketing, being confident of your integration. If you don't have pre-built integration, it can cost you a lot of money. No longer can we do business with one system. You've heard already in these 2 days how many different, the portfolio of solutions you need. Integration is expensive. We've already done it for you. We lower the risk. We improve your competitiveness. You will be competitive on the global market. And we do it quickly. Our delivery time is generally 2.5 times lower. And you don't need to hire expensive, hard-to-find people. You already have the skills in your organization to be successful. So let me ask this question as I finish. Do you want your company to be an organization that supports your critical business processes and accesses your business data via your mobile device? Do you want that for your company? To do business when and where it happens? And if you do that, and you're a true mobile enterprise, you must be able to execute your business either connected or disconnected. We can do that for you. Thank you for your time. I enjoyed being with you.